Baby Doge, Baby Doge. Oh boy, Baby Doge Coin has been on fire ever since it was announced that Binance is going to list Baby Doge Coin. And after that, we have seen parabolic movement with this bad boy. And also, the team haven't stopped delivering. They have been building new features, building partnerships, trying to help this project grow and make investors lots of money. The question now is, what holds the future of Baby Doge Coin? Can this coin make us massive gains in 2025? These are the questions that I want us to answer in today's video, and also at the same time look at what price might do this week, this month, and the entire 2025. We are going to be looking at price on the higher time frame. And if you are new on this platform, then ask a friend who have been here for a long time. Ask them my analysis on this coin and other coins that I talk about on this platform. My analysis is awesome, but it doesn't mean I am perfect or I am the best. No, I am not the best, but I'm someone who knows nothing but says something. If say you know what that means, and if say you love such person who knows nothing but says something, then make sure you are subscribed to this platform, thumbs up, and share my content with someone else out there. By the way, I have a VIP group that I share what I'm buying and what I'm selling. So if say you are interested to get my buy and sell signal, that is what I'm holding, what I'm trading, then make sure you join my VIP community. The links are found at the description of this video. Having said all of this good stuff, let's dive right away to look at what this bad boy has been doing in the past. What have this bad boy been up to? Guys, I have been talking about this coin for like ever. And those of you who are coming here for the first time, you're like, oh, maybe this coin is bad. It's not good. This meme coin have come and canceled 3 zeros. This one has come and done this. Maybe those coin is still doing this, doing that, guys. This is not a normal coin. This is more than any meme coin out there that you can even imagine. If you see those meme coins pumping, what have they gone through? Nothing. Those coins have gone through the bear market and they survived. They survived the bear market. They have been here for more than 2 years. These coins, they're just coming now during the alt season or during the Bitcoin pump session. These whales are using these coins to print their money during this bull market. But after the bull market, you're going to understand that the projects that are going to survive are the ones that have real utilities. And Baby Dogecoin has survived because of real utility. So I'm not going to debate the value or the utility of Baby Dogecoin. I know because I have been there ever since the coin was launched and also made some profit during those period. And now I'm here to tell you that if you focus on the fundamentals of this coin alone, then you apply it to the chart, you don't understand what price is doing and why price do what price do. And I explained in one of my videos that in the past, investors or the market makers have been pumping and dumping the price of a Dogecoin. But now they pump it and held. Why? Because of more volume. It has been listed on Binance and other major exchanges. This has brought in more investors, new people to buy the project, and or the project has been exposed to more volume. So that's why we see the coin building, structures making higher highs and higher lows. This is something I want to teach you, and I can teach you this in my complete session for beginners. If say you take that, all the links are found below this video. But having said this good stuff, let's dive back into our video and get the juicy part of what I got for you guys today. Look at this movement, guys. Right back there around this 16th of September. Wow, look at this pump to the upside. Now, what was going on here during this moment? Price rejected this area here. Price went up, it came back, but it didn't go and make lower lows. In this case, we now started looking at maybe price might attempt to reverse, but we never knew that price is going to do something like this. And whenever price starts moving like this, when the volume is good and it is real volume, real investors coming on board or real market makers that want to push price to the upside, they always respect key levels on the Fibonacci retracement tool. You can see when this coin pumped, this was the initial pump, this was the main pump here, before pullback. So now the pullback created a zone around the 0.382 area on the Fibonacci tool. Now, this zone is a significant zone when price is in an uptrend. Okay, so when you see such move, plug in your Fib tool immediately and mark this area as your area of interest in the future. Okay, it's important you mark it out. Then you take out the Fibonacci tool. Now, you look at the previous structure. What has happened in this area? Price rejected here in the past. Look at it. Here, and here. So this zone should be a zone of interest when price is going back to the upside. And price did break here, but what happened? Price rejected also here. What did price do here in the past? This area reacted as uh, as a resistance in the past, and in the future, it also reacted as a resistance. Look at this. And price did come back here, rejected, go up, come back below, and then price at the same zone that price has been reacting up, down. That was the area that price made the next huge move to the upside. Okay, now what do I want to establish here? When price always make a move to the upside, price always creates zones. Price move in zones, and price is creating those zones based on what price have done in the past. So if you go back, you're gonna see this zone is in correspondence to what price did in the past. Okay, so price have to build, or the market maker have to start building the next move to the upside, and they did that by pushing price to the upside, bringing it back down, move it to the upside, bringing it around this area, making investors to be doubting what they want to do with price. And before investors will realize it, boom, you see how they pump the price to the upside. Now, what has happened, or what happened in the past, they are going to repeat it again in the future. What did I say? This move is the initial move. This move here, let me do it again for you guys. This move is the initial move. Yeah. Okay. And what happened? Price retraced back to the golden pocket, which is very important. Okay. Now, what should we do seeing price retrace back to the golden pocket? What we should look at is, what did price do before? And if you look at what price did before, you realize that the golden pocket is closer to this previous high here. You can see here, if we take this back to this area, you'll see that price is around that area. So looking at this structure now, it means that they can at one point still bring price down, yeah, and also still bring price around this 0.786 zone, yeah. And if they do bring price here, this area here, they can easily take it back to the upside. But this zone should be the zone that you look for your buy signal. Yeah, we saw how price, looking at the Fibonacci tool, price rejected from this 0.382 zone. But in this case, price rejected from where? The golden pocket. Okay, so price must not always reject from the 0.382 zone. 0.382 zone is a zone when price is super bullish, and this happens during the first pump. The second pump, usually it cools down a little bit and get to the golden pocket or the 0.5 zone before, or maybe to an extent it goes to the 0.786 zone, before take the next ride to the upside. Now, what I want you to look at for the rest of the week or the rest of the month or next year is price keep doing the same thing. Now price have created a new structure here. So what we should expect price to do is be around this, like trade around this structure here, or they can extend it downward, But if say we see price break below this structure, then I want to expect price to go around the 0.786 zone. Okay, but now we are here. I expect price to stay around this zone, or to an extent, price can come a little bit downward here, you know, or maybe like around here, but it should stay around this zone. And if price stays around that zone, then what you are looking at is price to get back. If we see price break below here, do something like this, What we want to see is for price to go back above and hold this area. Why? Because this has been the main, the old, let's say the first, rejection of this zone here. You see, look at this. So if price break below here and break above, we want to see hold price hold around this area here before we start looking at the next move to the upside, and the next move to the upside will begin from here. Whoop, whoop to the upside. Exactly what happened here. So if you analyze the market this way, you are gonna be making right decisions most of the time, but not always. Most of the time, there are times that the market is gonna go against you. That's why I say, which I know nothing, but I say something. Okay, so this is something I'm saying right now, even though I know nothing. Now, the one thing I want to establish in this video is Baby Doge Coin is still bullish, regardless what we are looking at with price. And we might expect a huge candle again to the upside, but price must play out the way price did here. We must see price play, a little bit, go up, come down, then shoot to the upside. And for us to say maybe those coin is back in the bear market, we must see structure broken on the higher time frame. And this is the major structure here. This zone is a major support area during this move to the upside. So until we see price break and close below here, then we are still in an uptrend. So price can still come right down here. We can see price come right down here. Do something like this. We are gonna still be in an uptrend, but price cannot close below, break and close below. If price keep doing that, then we should expect the next move to the upside. But for now, as I mentioned, we are still bullish with Baby Doge Coin, and I think that the upside for this coin is massive. Why? These guys are building huge, 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 and I love when a coin is building utilities. And if say a coin is building utilities, it means that they want to attract real money, sustainable money. People who are gonna say, okay, now let me buy this coin for the next 6 months, the next year, and take the ride to the upside. That's what I think is gonna happen with Baby Doge Coin. And those of you who are naysayers, those of you who don't understand anything going on in the market, you just want to compare this coin with that coin. I don't compare this and that. I look at what a particular coin is doing based on how I invest or trade. If I see opportunity in a coin, I buy and make my money and get out. If I see opportunity long term, I buy and hold long term and make my money and get out. So it's all about opportunities. We are here, or I'm here to make money. I'm not here to care about your feelings. I don't care about your feelings. I care about my pocket. I care about your feelings only if say you care about your feelings. And what I mean by that is, if say you want to take your education to the next level, you want to learn how this works, you want to understand the bigger picture, the macro perspective of the market, then I want to care about you, because I want you to be that person who wins in the market. Take my complete one-on-one session where I teach you what you should be looking at. Everything I explain to you right now, I want to take it detailedly to help you understand how I come about certain conclusion and how you can apply that in any coin that you come across. This is powerful. Knowledge is power. And if so, you are able to grab that knowledge, nothing can stop you. Set yourself that I or you are the cryptocurrency. You are the number one cryptocurrency that you want to invest in. Once you invest in you, you know that that cryptocurrency, can make more money from other cryptocurrency. So treat yourself as a crypto. Look at yourself as a coin. You must be able to have that knowledge to make you money. And when you have that knowledge, this crypto, you who is a crypto, is going to make you money, more money from other crypto. So this is just something I want you to understand. I want you to get inside your head. Don't go and buy because you are chasing pump. No, use that money and educate yourself. And I can help you with that. Go below this video and click on that link. Join me on the other side, and I'm going to be there to help you. I think we're going to have an amazing 2025 for Baby Doge Coin. See you in the next video. Ciao. Bye bye.